Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today what we will learn on Canva will be how to design a social media post with a video playing on the phone. I believe that a lot of you have seen this on your social medias and have no idea how to do it. No worries, we have got you covered and it's free on Canva. First of all, what you will need to do is go to presentation, click on it, then you will have this blank canvas. Next, what you will have to do will be really easy. Go to elements, search for frames. Now here you can see tons of different types of frame, and here you have the desktop, the phone, and also for laptop. Here we will choose the one for phone, make it bigger. Alright, next we will type in any video that we want to. I would like to have business kind of video. After typing in, we will click on video to filter out the unnecessary ones. Then we will select maybe which one will be perfect for our video. Now from here we can see that the video is too long, it's 47 seconds. Now we can trim it down to maybe 5 seconds. Then we can click done. Next, we can go to text and then select any ready-made template that you can use, that you think that it's suitable for your aesthetic. I'll go with this. Then I'll go back to elements, type in aesthetics, click on photos. I like this background. Right click, send to back. These are maybe to blend it with the background. What we can do is you can click on this and then adjust the transparency of this background. Here you have it. You have a social media post with a template that you like. You can adjust it anytime from this area and also replace any videos that you like. If you would like to upload your own video, you can always go to uploads and then upload your own videos. Click on play and then check it. Download, go to MP4, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.